Are you aware that a single error in using copyrighted material could cost you not just thousands of dollars, but could also bring legal repercussions? If you're a video editor, especially in the United States, the stakes are high, and ignorance is not bliss. Stay tuned as we dissect the often complicated world of copyright laws to keep you safe and informed. First, let's unravel what copyright really means. Copyright is a form of intellectual property law that protects the original works of a creator. It offers the creator exclusive rights over the usage and distribution of their work. This applies to various forms of creations, be it a novel, a song, or a video. If you're a video editor, this information is indispensable because the laws safeguard not only others' works but also your original content. For example, if you create a unique video montage, that work is automatically protected by copyright law once it's created and saved in a tangible form, say a hard drive or uploaded online. Second, you'll want to be aware of copyright protection for videos. This is not an opt-in system. Your videos get automatic protection from the moment they are created. You don't have to register them, although doing so can offer added legal benefits. This means if someone else uses parts of your video without permission, you have the legal grounds to take action against them. Third on our list is using copyrighted materials. You might want to include a popular song or snippets of another video in your project. Well, you can't just go ahead and use these. You have to obtain explicit permission from the copyright holder. For example, if you want to use a Taylor Swift song in your video, you'd need to reach out to a record label for permission. Next up, let's delve into the murky waters of fair use. This is a legal doctrine that provides some exceptions to the stringent rules of copyright. Fair use allows you to use copyrighted materials for purposes like education, criticism, or news reporting without requiring permission. However, this is not a free pass. There are limitations and conditions to meet for your usage to qualify as fair use. Think of a documentary discussing various pop songs. Short clips of those songs could potentially be used under the fair use policy, but this isn't guaranteed and often depends on factors like the length of the clip and its purpose in the documentary. But what if you choose to ignore all of this? The consequences can be dire. You could face civil and criminal penalties that can range from fines to more serious legal action. Imagine having to pay a fine of up to $150,000 for just a single infringement. Yes, it's that serious. Moving on, here are some concrete tips for video editors navigating the labyrinth of copyright laws. Firstly, always seek permission for copyrighted material. Secondly, apply the fair use concept cautiously and thoughtfully. Thirdly, always give credit where credit is due, even if it's not legally required. Fourthly, utilize copyright checkers or compliance software to review your work. And fifthly, consult a legal expert specializing in intellectual property if you're unsure about any step. For those who wish to further deepen their understanding, there are abundant resources. You can enroll in online courses, read books by legal experts, or even attend workshops tailored for content creators. Now, why should a video editor invest time and energy into understanding copyright laws, besides avoiding the headache and financial burden of legal troubles? Respecting the law also sets you up as a responsible creator. It also ensures that your original work receives the protection it deserves. To wrap up, here are some final compliance tips. Always have written permission for copyrighted content. Understand the limitations of fair use. Maintain records of all permissions obtained, and always be aware that different platforms like YouTube or Vimeo may have their own specific rules around copyrighted material. That's it for today. The key takeaway is that understanding and respecting copyright laws not only protect you but also maintain the integrity of the creative ecosystem. Thanks for watching.